I decided to also test it with it more at the pole at 47 inches like they say it should be, and with the doors rolled up, which is, it originally came without any doors. And so far the towel looks perfectly dry and the sides don't look wet. So I guess I've worried needlessly about sleeping inside this in a rainstorm. Well, it was pouring all day. And oh, this towel, it feels a little bit like it got rain splatter. All of this is soaking wet on the top. So, this is not the best when it doesn't have the doors. So I think the doors are necessary to make it a rain-worthy tent. Although, so I am under an open sky and it is a hard surface, so I would have hopefully a better campsite than this in real life. But yeah, the doors, gotta have the doors.